It's gorgeous. It really is.
I love getting up high. The cathedral towers above the city. And like Palermo's food, this building tells a story of centuries of different cultural influences.
This original church was founded around 1135, but the original structure actually was built on top of a mosque, which again was built on an earlier Christian basilica. During the 13th and 14th centuries, it was Gothicized. And then after that, the Spanish in the 15th century came along with their ideas, which created this very meringue cake-like structures all around. You start with a very basic structure, then you build, and the influences in architecture begin to change the look of the church.
Back down in amongst the ancient streets, my new friend and tour guide Marco is going to show me the heart of the city and its authentic flavours.
There's only one way to travel around Palermo, and it's in one of these. An ape, or a lapatino, they call them in Palermo. It's basically a Vespa with a body on it. It's so small and tight, it's just perfect for getting around the city. It feels like an adventure when you get to a city like this. It is beautiful, but then you go down the dirty little alleyways, and again, a different character of Palermo.
City with a soul.
Yeah. And the noise, the action, the people, the chef yard,